The Philadelphia Museum of Art has boldly embraced a fresh identity, one that might already feel familiar to many locals. On Wednesday, October the 8th, the iconic institution officially unveiled its new name, the Philadelphia Art Museum. But here's where it gets controversial. This subtle name change is more than just semantics. It reflects a deeper shift in the museum's mission and how it sees itself within the city. For years, Philadelphians have casually referred to it as the Philadelphia Art Museum or simply the Art Museum, so the formal renaming might not come as a surprise. However, this rebranding is about more than just a name swap. The museum has introduced a comprehensive makeover that includes a fresh logo, updated signage throughout the campus, new merchandise, and a revamped website, all designed to make art more accessible, relevant, and closely connected to the people of Philadelphia. A standout feature of the new branding is the redesigned logo, proudly displayed on the museum's East Terrace. It features a revitalized Griffin symbol, an emblem that connects the museum's rich history with its forward-looking vision. Sasha Suda, the George D. Widener director and CEO of the Philadelphia Art Museum, shared insights into the transformation. The Philadelphia Art Museum has long been the cultural heartbeat of our city. Our responsibility to keep it that way. Our approach is unapologetically Philadelphian. We're opening our doors wider to foster collaboration and focus on the future for everyone. What does this mean for visitors? Officials promise a more interactive experience, offering hands-on learning opportunities suitable for all ages. The museum plans to deepen its partnerships both locally and internationally with creative collaborators and aims to reimagine its campus as a vibrant, welcoming space. Ryan Moore, Executive Creative Director and partner at the creative agency Gretel, highlighted the thoughtful process behind the redesign. This project grew out of more than a year of research, collaboration, creative thinking, and refining. Our key goal was to come down the steps, to connect the museum more directly with its community, which has always been Philadelphia itself. The new identity embodies the institution's future. It's more engaging, dynamic, and welcoming to new audiences. And this is the part most people miss. The rebrand is not just cosmetic. It signals a shift toward inclusivity and relevance in a rapidly changing cultural landscape. Is this approach refreshing? Or does it risk alienating traditionalists who cherish the museum's legacy? We'd love to hear your take. For those interested in exploring this exciting new chapter, the Philadelphia Art Museum's updated website at visitpam.org offers a wealth of information about upcoming programs, exhibitions, and more.